Can you guess the topic? What is the topic today? Anyone? So before starting the our live session, live streaming, live classes, I request you to all just share this class in your group with your friends, with your uh, groups. Okay, let's see how many students are there. So, guys, back today. Me and math classes provides you mathematics classes for Olympiad basis and solve your all queries related to the maths. You can contact to the me and Matt after this class. Okay. Today's topic is quadrilaterals. Okay. In the starting, I told you that let's guess which topic we are discussing today. So the today's topic is quadrilateral. Okay, quadrilaterals. The chapter includes so many things, different type of quadrilaterals, then parallelogram, then types of parallelogram like rhombus, rectangle, square. As you know, rhombus, rectangle, and square are the types of parallelograms, special type of parallelograms. Square is a special type of rectangle. Square is a special type of rhombus. Square is a special type of parallelogram. Square has every property of squares contains property of rectangles. Squares contain the property of rhombus. Squares contain the property of parallelogram. The main idea is parallelogram, and the some a special type of parallelogram is rhombus, and special type of parallelogram is rectangle, as you all knows, right? One more part quadrilaterals which comes not in parallelogram. That is right. Yeah, it is correct. Okay, so class, before starting our content, before starting the questions, before starting the topic, I would like to reveal this star student of the week in me and Mahatma family. Okay, so as you all are excited to know the name of star student, so before revealing the name of this student, I would like to request you again that just share this class with your friends and your colleagues in your groups and like the class, like the channel, subscribe it. Okay, so here is the name. Yes, yes, Adam Johan. Come on, very good. Adam Johan, star student of the week. This is the student who got the award of star student of the week. Completed all the homework without failed. He votes attend all the classes without fail. He's regular in class. He's regular in his homework. He's asking the question in the during the class. He attend YouTube live class. He attend the doubt class. So this student is a very unique. That's why he got the award of star student of the week. Okay, so now let's move. Oh, yeah, before start out quadrilateral, yes, unbox me. How can you take 2 from 5 and leave 4? Brainstorming question. Just storm your brain, think out of it, think out of the box, and reveal it. How can you take 2 from 5 and leave 4? Let's see who are going to answer it first. Yes, come on, student. I'm going to check your answers. Very interesting question. Very interesting riddle. Anyone? How can you take 2 from 5 and leave 4? Yes, here is the answer. Remove the two letters F and E from the word 5 and you have 4. Yes, F I V E. Just remove 2, 1 and 2 and leave 4. This is the 4. Interesting now? Yes, very interesting reader. Good, great. Okay, now let's move for the voice of learners. You can see the voice of learner from different part of the country. Good afternoon, ma'am. You are audible. Hope you had your lunch. Yes, good afternoon. This side Janvi. Good afternoon. Good. You can repeat this question. So this is the voice of learners you can see from all over the country. The students are connecting with us and getting the knowledge from expertise of me and math. Now, let's learn something about the today's topic. Our today's topic is quadrilateral. As you know, this is the quadrilateral ECD. Here, 4 vertex, 4 sides, 2 diagonals, AC and BD are there. So I'll give you the brief introduction of quadrilaterals. AB, BC, CD, and DA. 4 sides, angle A, angle B, angle C, and angle D. 4 angles. A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 360. Property, angle sum property. This is the angle sum property. अब आपके दिमाग में क्वेश्चन आना चाहिए कि सर एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी 360 डिग्री थोड़ी होती है. This is 180 degree. Angle sum property is 180 degree, not 360 degree. Yes, your doubt is right. Your doubt is correct. But you can see that 180 degree kisme in triangle. 180 degrees in triangle. So angle sum property in quadrilateral is 360 degree, while angle sum property in triangle is 180 degree. Right? So sum of angle, yeah, sum of all 4 interior angles in a quadrilateral is always 360 degree. Okay. Now AB and CD, BC and AD, opposite pair of side. There are two pair of opposite sides, AB and CD, BC and AD. Angle A, angle C, angle B, angle D. Again, opposite pair of angles. If AB parallel to CD, if AB parallel to CD and BC parallel to AD, then it's a parallelogram. It's a parallelogram and very important property. Very important property. This one is very important. If opposite sides are parallel in any quadrilateral, then it's a parallelogram. Right? Now parallelogram divides in two parts. First one is rectangle, second one is rhombus. If opposite sides are equal and all angles are 90 degree, if opposite sides are equal and all angles are 90 degree, then it's a rectangle. If all sides are equal, then it's a rhombus. Got it? So I'll write here. I think you can take the screenshot of this. So I'll rub it. I'll give you 5 seconds to take the screenshot. Okay. Now, this is our quadrilateral. In parallelogram, first, if all sides are equal, then it's a, yes, rhombus. And if all angles are equal, then it's a rectangle. Okay. So the special type of parallelograms, rhombus and rectangle. And if rectangle, all sides are equal, it is known as square. So in a square, all sides are equal, all angles are equal. In rhombus, all sides are equal. In rectangle, all angles are equal. Okay. Now, in rectangle, all angles are equal. So in rectangle and in square, diagonals are equal. ये कुछ properties है, you have to know about it. Okay. Any doubt till now about the quadrilateral? You can ask. You can write in the chat box. I'll answer your queries. I repeat again, kindly share this class with your friends and family. And if you have any doubt regarding content, you can write in chat box. I'll answer your all the queries. This session is provided by me and Math Family. You can take benefit of these classes on YouTube platform. Now, if I'll take polygon, then two things you have to know about the polygon, that sum of interior angle of any polygon is n, n minus 2, n minus 2 into 180. Sum of exterior angle is 360 degree. This is a very interesting part. Any type of quadrilateral, any type of triangle, any type of pentagon, any type of hexagon means we are talking about the polygon. Sum of exterior angle in any polygon is always 360 degree. Interior angle का sum vary करेगा depend on number of sides, but exterior angles का sum of exterior angle doesn't vary with the number of sides, right? So that's a very interesting part. Now, if in regular polygon, if you want to find one angle, interior or exterior, you can find. So in regular polygon, interior angle is n minus 2 into 180. ये तो सम है, तो ये होगा वन एंगल, और एक्सटीरियर एंगल क्या हो जाएगा? एक्सटीरियर एंगल विल बी 360 डिग्री अपॉन. I hope everything is clear now. Any doubt till here? So parallelogram, if all sides are equal, then it's a rhombus. If all angles are equal, then it's a rectangle. Now, in rectangle, if all sides are equal, means in parallelogram, all angles are equal, all sides are equal, then it's a square. One more property of rectangle and square, that diagonals are equal. Next we are talking about polygon. Polygon, sum of interior angles is n minus 2 into 180. Sum of interior angles is always 360 degree. If you want to find one interior angle and exterior angle in regular polygon, then you can find also n minus 2 into 180 upon n is interior angle, and 360 360 upon n is exterior. Okay, let's move. Say yes. Show thumb. Let's move. Okay, let's move. So this is the question number 1. In the given figure, LMNO is a parallelogram and OPQR is a rhombus. LMNO is a parallelogram and OPQR is a rhombus. You have to find angle NHM. Given that LMH is a straight line, this is a straight line, then you have to find the angle NMH, means this angle you have to find. I'll give you 2 minutes 20 seconds to solve this question. Let's see who is going to solve it first. Okay, I'll start the timer. Just a minute. Okay, you can take your time. 2 minutes 20 seconds. Focus on the question, focus on the diagram. Angles are given here. Two angles are given, 45 degree, 70 degree. You have to find angle NHM. So, anyone in the chat box given the answer? No one? Okay, let's solve the questions. इसका आंसर क्या होगा, कैसे होगा, वो हम देखते हैं. LMNO is a parallelogram. So this is parallelogram. Parallelogram है. You can see these angles are. You have to find this angle according to the question. So this is x also. Why x? Because both are alternate angles. Angle O and M and angle NMH are alternate angle. So angle O and M is equal to angle NMH is equal to x. Now this is rhombus, means all sides are equal. If all sides are equal, then we can say angle ROQ is equal to angle QOR. Why? Because isosceles triangle, right? If it's a isosceles triangle, then 70 plus angle ROQ plus angle ROQ is equal to 180 degree. So angle ROQ is equal to 180 minus 70 upon 2, 55 degree. So this angle is 55 degree. Which angle? I mark here. This is 55. If this is 55, this is also 55. If this is 55, this is also 55 and 55. Right? So angle LO, just a minute. Yeah, we are here. This is 55 degree, 55 degree, 55 degree and 55 degree. So angle LON is equal to 45 plus 55. So answer is 110. Right? So angle N is equal to 180 minus 110, that is 70 degree. So angle NMH is equal to 70 degree. Why? Alternate angle. Good. So answer is C. Third option is the correct answer. That's an easy question. It looks like difficult, but it's not a difficult one. Okay. So you have to use the property of rhombus, then use the property of parallelogram. That's it. What is the property of parallelogram? Opposite angles are equal, and in a rhombus, all sides are equal. Okay, let's move for the next one. Yeah. The figure below is made up of a square ABCD. ABCD is a square and two rhombus. ATPC, ATCP, and DRB. This angle is 135, it is BR, then find angle PCT, which is PCT, BCT, this is small angle, this one. You have to find. Again, I say this angle is this question is very easy. डिफिकल्ट नहीं है क्वेश्चन, बिल्कुल भी डिफिकल्ट नहीं है. क्यों नहीं है? आप जब सोल्व करोगे तो आपको पता लगेगा. नाउ आई विल गिव यू 2 minutes टू सोल्व इट. योर टाइम स्टार्ट नाउ. This diagram is looking little bit complex, but not. It's not a complex. I'll give you hint. जो two rhombus है inside ATCP and DRBV both are equal. दोनों सेम है, अलग अलग नहीं है. नहीं है तो you can find the question. Solve करो. It's an interesting one. So who is going to the answer? Let's check the chat. You can write your chat, your queries, your answers, or if you want to ask me anything, you can write in the chat box. Thirty-five seconds left. $20. 14, 13, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time out. Let's start the question. Let's solve the question. How will we solve it? क्वेश्चन थोड़ा सा ट्रिकी है, तो थोड़ा ध्यान से देखना. एबीसीडी स्क्वायर है, तो पहले मैं स्क्वायर के बारे में आपको बता देता हूं. इफ दिस इज अ स्क्वायर, देन यू नो दैट दिस डायगोनल हमेशा 45 डिग्री एंगल ड्रॉ करता है, राइट? सो दिस इज ए, दिस इज बी, सी, डी. क्वेश्चन में पूछा है ए बी डी, दिस एंगल ए बी डी, तो दिस एंगल इज 45 डिग्री. तो जो सेकंड पार्ट है ये तो हमारा डायरेक्ट आंसर आ जाएगा, दैट इज 45 डिग्री. अंदर वाले डायग्राम से इस क्वेश्चन का कोई रिलेशन नहीं है. नाउ पीसीटी, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट पीसीटी, दिस एंगल. इस एंगल की बात करें, ये एंगल हमें चाहिए. अब गिवन क्या है उस पर फोकस करते हैं. बी वी डी इज 135 डिग्री. मैं इसको रब कर देता हूं. 135 कौन है, मार्क कर लेते हैं. बी वी डी, दिस एंगल इज 135. ओके, इफ दिस एंगल इज 135, अगर ये एंगल दे रखा है तो हम इससे क्या क्या फाइंड आउट, हम सिर्फ पीसीटी के ऊपर फोकस नहीं कर रहे, जो मैं क्वेश्चन पूछा है उसके ऊपर फोकस नहीं करते, इस एंगल से हम क्या क्या फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं उसके ऊपर फोकस करते हैं। दिस इज ए रोम्बस, रोम्बस है तो ये और ये दोनों इक्वल होंगे, ये भी इक्वल होगा और ये इक्वल होगा, ठीक है। अगर हम इनको ज्वाइन कर दें इस तरह से, तो ये एंगल 90 डिग्री हो जाएगा। आपको पता है डायगोनल्स 90 डिग्री पर मीट करते हैं, किसके, स्क्वायर्स के और रोम्बस दोनों के, तो यहाँ पर मीट कर रहे हैं क्योंकि अंदर रोम्बस है बाहर स्क्वायर है। तो ये एंगल 90 डिग्री है, 135 है, 135, तो अगर हम इस एंगल की बात करें तो ये हो जाएगा 180 माइनस 135 डिवाइड बाई 2, हाफ कर दिया ना हमने, तो 180 माइनस 135 मीन्स 45 बाई 2, ये एंगल 45 बाई 2, ये भी कितना होगा 45 बाई 2। और कौन कौन से एंगल 45 बाई 2 होंगे, I'll mark it, this is 45 by 2, क्योंकि ये टोटल कितना है 45 है, this is 45 by 2, तो ये सारे एंगल्स कितने हो गए 45 by 2, 45 by 2। तो एक एंगल से हम क्या क्या फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं वो चेकआउट कर रहे हैं। तो अब हमें दिख रहा है कि अगर ये 135 है तो ये एंगल भी 135 होगा क्योंकि सिमेट्रिक है, डायग्राम सिमेट्रिक है, तो दिस एंगल इज ऑल्सो 135। तो पीसीटी, अगर ये 135 है तो पीसीटी कितना हो जाएगा 180 माइनस 135, so answer is 45 degree, this is also 45, right? The triangle or figure is symmetric. Why symmetric? Because I'll give मैंने आपको हिंट भी दिया था, I'll give you hint that ATPC and BRDV both are equal। समझ में आ गई बात, कितना दिखने में कॉम्प्लेक्स क्वेश्चन है बट काफी इजी है। तो ज्योमेट्री के साथ हमेशा यही होता है कि क्वेश्चन डायग्राम थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट दिखता है, आपको थोड़ा अच्छे से सोचना है, देखना है कि क्वेश्चन में कौन सा एंगल गिवन है, कौन सा पूछा है। अब आप देखोगे एबीडी में तो कुछ किसी की रिक्वायरमेंट ही नहीं है, रोम्बस की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है, बीबीडी 135 दे रखा है इसकी कोई रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं, एटी इज इक्वल टू बी आर दे रखा है इसकी भी कोई रिक्वायरमेंट, कुछ भी रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है। जब रिक्वायरमेंट ही नहीं है, क्योंकि डायरेक्टली यू कैन सी फ्रॉम दिस डायग्राम यू कैन फाइंड द 45 डिग्री। आपके दिमाग में क्वेश्चन अगर आ रहा है तो मैं बता देता हूं, दोनों ट्राइंगल से दोनों रेक्टेंगल सेम क्यों है, क्योंकि क्वेश्चन में गिवन है it is equal to VR, that's why both rectangle, both rhombuses are concurrent। Okay, any doubt? Let's move for the next one। Yes, this is the question. This question is related to polygon. A, B, C, D, E is the part of a regular polygon। A, B, C, D, E is the part of रेगुलर पॉलीगन। कौन सा, ये वाला पार्ट रेगुलर पॉलीगन का पार्ट है। इस क्वेश्चन में हम कंफ्यूज सिर्फ इसी में होते हैं, तो मैंने इसलिए उसको हाईलाइट कर दिया आपके रेफरेंस के लिए। दिस इज द पार्ट ऑफ पॉलीगन, इंटीरियर एंगल इज 160 डिग्री, दिस इज गिवन। यू CDLM इज अ स्क्वायर, ये जो बन रहा है ये एक स्क्वायर है, हमें x और y फाइंड आउट करने हैं, व्हाट इज x एंड व्हाट इज y। क्वेश्चन इज क्लियर, I'll repeat it again। A, B, C, D, E is a part of regular polygon, indirectly it is given that AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DE। A quadrilateral made on side CD, which is CDLM, is a square, it is given in the question। Interior angle of the polygon is 160 degree, you have to find the x and y respectively। Now clear, I'll give you 2 minutes 20 seconds to solve this question। Start solving। Timeout started, try to start solving, let's see who is going to give the answer first। Just focus on the given part. ABCD is a regular polygon. CDLM square. Interior angle is 160 degree. Now you can find that. That's not a difficult one. It's a easy. Yeah. Yes. Answer. Answer is coming or not. Let's see. 1 minute left. No answers till now. B. B is the answer. 25 seconds. 10 seconds. Yes. No. Okay, let's solve the question. So I'll remove the drawings here. This side is equal to this side is equal to this side is equal to this side, right? All sides are equal. If all sides are equal, that means this is also equal because it's a square. Okay, now we will talk about the triangle BCM. We'll talk about the triangle BCM. In triangle BCM, you can see here BC and CM are equal. This is the triangle BCM and both are equal. This angle is X. So this is equal. Both angles are equal. Why? Isosceles triangle. Right? Now, in diagram, you can see here this angle is 160 degree. क्वेश्चन में given है और ये जो एंगल है ये 90 डिग्री होगा. Why? Because it's a square. So we can find the x. Yes. So 160 is equal to x plus 90. So x is equal to 70 डिग्री. x की वैल्यू कितनी आ गई? 70 डिग्री. ठीक है, तो ये दोनों एंगल भी हम फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. ये दोनों एंगल क्या हो जाएंगे? 180 माइनस 70 बाय 2. कौन सा? एंगल बी. क्योंकि हाफ है ना, तो हमने 180 में से 70 माइनस कर दिया और डिवाइड बाय 2, तो ये होगा 55 डिग्री. कितना होगा? 55 डिग्री. इससे फायदा क्या होगा? इससे फायदा ये होगा, ये एंगल कितना मिला हमें? 55 डिग्री. अब नाउ वी कैन से द सम ऑफ दीज एंगल इज 160 डिग्री, क्योंकि सारे इंटीरियर एंगल तो सेम होंगे. नाउ y plus 55 is equal to 160, so y is equal to 105 degree. तो x की वैल्यू 70 डिग्री and y is 105 degree. Okay, which option? First option is the correct answer. First option is the correct one. Clear? Any doubt? Let's move for the next one. In this question, all the values are given. These lines are parallel given. You have to find angle GCD. GCD. This angle you have to find. I'll give you again 2 minutes. I'll start the timer. Timer started. कौन सा ऑप्शन होगा इसमें? I'll give you hint to solve this question. Angle C is in two parts. Find separately. पहला वाला part, second part. कौन सा? This one and this one, and add them. Use the given part. AG parallels here. This is the hint. I'll not give any hint after that. 50% time has been passed. It's 70 seconds left. So 24 degree, 92 degree, 141 degree. Angle C. Yes. Anyone gives the answer in chat box? No one. Last 7 seconds left. And time out. Okay, let's see. This question doesn't involve so much calculation. This angle and this angle both are alternate angle. So this is 75 degree. Why alternate angle? So alternate angles are equal. So this is 70. Angle G is 75. That's why angle FCB is also 75. Okay. And this angle, use the sum of angles in quadrilateral. So this is 24 plus 92 plus x is equal to 141. So x is equal to 141 minus 116. So x is equal to 25. X means this angle is 25 degree. So angle GCD is equal to 25 plus 75. Angle GCD is equal to 100 degree. Which option is correct? C option is the correct. Okay, I told you in the beginning of this question that this question is not difficult. It doesn't involve so much calculation. It's just tricky. You have to separate or divide the angles and solve this separately. And in the last, add them. Yes or no? Yeah. Let's move the next question. This is the next one. In the figure given below, PQR is the trapezium. AB is parallel. AB, PQ, and SR, all three lines are parallel. Angle ABR is given, angle PSR is given, angle QPR is given. Three angles is given, and three angle you have to find. In this question, some calculation is there. You have to write. You have to so use pen and paper to solve this question. I'll give you 2 minutes 20 seconds to solve this. Yes, your time start now. I'll mark the angles which is given. Use a solve. XYZ you have to find. 90, 14, 110 is given. 1 minute left to solve this question, or 1 minute left get the answer. No one gives the answer. Twenty seconds are left. Time out. Now let's solve the question. चलो क्वेश्चन सोल्व करते हैं. Okay. First, angle P and angle S both are equal. Both are 90 degree. Okay. So Z plus 40 is equal to 90. Z is equal to 50. Z की वैल्यू क्या हो गई 50. वेरी गुड. कौन कौन से ऑप्शन में है? इन both in option. Now you can see that in both option x is 30 30. So no need to find the x. Just find y. Okay. This is 50. This is 90. So you can find this is 180 minus 90 plus 50 is 40 degree. This angle is 40. Now we can choose this quadrilateral. ये भी तो 90 डिग्री है ना. ये भी 90 डिग्री होगा because all angles are 90 degree in parallel. Alternate angles, cointerior angles all are equal. So 90 plus 90 plus 40 plus y is equal to 360 degree. So y is equal to 180 minus 40, that is 140. 140. D option is the correct answer. Okay, easy one. Now let's move the next fast. We are running out of time. Yes, Sunday bonus question. Where my guess for this question: if the diagonals of a parallelogram are equal, then state its name. In the starting of the class, when I was telling about I was giving the idea about the quadrilateral, just then that time I give you the idea of this question. If you are aware throughout the class, you can answer this question. If the diagonal of a parallelogram are equal, then state its name. It's the parallelogram, it's quite, it's scalene quadrilateral, it's a rectangle, rhombus, square. Who is this? That's very easy one. Diagonals are equal. So if you remembered, I'll give you two names: rectangle and square. So these two quadrilaterals are have diagonals equal, or these two parallelograms have diagonals equal, rectangle and square. There are two answers: rectangle and square. Now what if you have only one option, you have to choose any one? Then rectangle is the correct one, because you know that all squares are rectangle, but all rectangles are not square. That's why rectangle is more fitted to the square. Otherwise both options are correct, rectangle and square. But if you have to choose out of if you have to choose one out of them, then you have to choose rectangle. Okay, so you find this session very energetic, very informative, and I think you'll get something new in this class, in this session. Okay, so you did great, you give the answers and supports you, this family. See you next week. Stay safe, stay base. Okay, so bye bye class, bye bye. I'll and here we are going for the next week. Thank you everyone.